In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a fog light bulb on your Chevy Silverado 2500. This is going to be located inside of the bumper. Let's get started. Reach up and undo the connector for the fog light. There's going to be a tab on top. Push that tab up and towards the back and remove that connector. This is that tab I was talking about. Push up, pull back. Twist the bulb counterclockwise. It'll unlock and you can remove it out of the assembly. Install the fog light into the assembly. Twist it clockwise until it locks in. Grab your harness and get it installed. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.